What's up, everybody? Back again with another episode of Sneaker Sundays with your boy Kemi. So this week I'll be doing a Jordan 3 restoration and midsole repaint. So stay tuned, check out the video, let me know what you think. So the first step is pouring some Jason marks into a container and scrubbing the shoe off to make sure there's no dirt on the shoe before you start taking the paint off of the midsole. So before you start doing anything, you need to make sure that the shoes are fully taped so you don't damage any part of the shoe before you start stripping the paint off. Tone and some cotton balls and rub the midsole off. You're probably going to have to do this at least 3 or 4 times or maybe 10 times depending how old the shoe is in order to get the paint fully off. So before you start painting, you need to make sure the midsoles are fully stripped down as best as you can get them. So we're going to begin by adding the layers of flat white. So you're probably going to have to add probably 5 to 6 layers. We will be using the Angelus flat black for the midsole. As you can see, it's real crucial you get the black part right. I've never tried the Angelus regular black on the midsole, but the flat black tends to give it that factory finish in my opinion. So this is how you make your money right here, using a detailer brush to get the little corners into the shoe and the midsole. These are real crucial to make it look like a factory finished shoe. So this is what I use to seal my custom sneakers. It's called Scratch Resistant Sealer by Riley Restorations. As you can see, I'm just going to apply one coat of that to the midsole.
The awesomeness.
So make sure I mix the Angelus matte finish and the Angelus Duller in a 60-40 ratio to create the factory finish look. Now for the finishing touch, we're going to add Krylon matte finish. So just spray it over the midsole you painted to give it that factory finish look.